Yo, it's your boy Faso, RWY from Havoc. You now rock with my boy STWEZ, the producer from Logical. Hey, yo, Steves, drop some new shit for me.
Buckle up. Buckle up. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Sit the fuck back. Sit the fuck back. Let the ring gon' talk like when it come down the street. Buckle up when you sit in your seat. Turn your lights on, make sure that you can see. It's the red light, so we jump out the V. Calm down. We two in it, can't see in the shit cause it's two tinted. Wanna know who in the back got the crew in it. Swear to God, I'm buckled all up. We don't stop the red lights cause we don't give a fuck. He in the street cause I'm in something small right now. Boy, don't make me bring out the truck. I watch on the highway, breaking the rules. They in the back screaming, stop, can you cruise? I cannot stop cause I see red and blue. Lights in the back, he said he see it too. He said, Smith, you already know what to do. You might catch you this time. I'm like, boy, catch a who? That shit right is important, I swear they be flu.